Hey there guys, my name is 𝐸𝐸𝐸 Turnip Seed and I am known as a teacher who quit, and I have a site on Boss Mentorship and I show other people how to make money online. But today what I'm talking about is how myself as an MCA rep stop struggling and how I help other online MCA reps get the results that I'm getting by using simple tools. Okay, so let me jump right into it. I have started using a tool which is called Infinity Profits, and they have an awesome resource for MCA reps who are looking to build a business online, stop struggling, not knowing what to do, not knowing what to say, not knowing how to attract people, and it's called the MCA Mastermind. Okay, this will help you totally explode your MCA business, have people coming to you instead of the other way around and you chasing people. This is an awesome resource, and it's going to show you how to use a Facebook group in addition to, if you want to, Facebook ads and drive people to Facebook. Okay, there's some other resources for MCA reps. There's a high quality landing page in here where if you wanted a page that converts well, you could get that, and you don't have, there's no monthly fees for this, so it's one-time pay, and it converts very well. Okay, and then those are the main two that I would say. And then if you wanted to then get Facebook ads, I would say after you get the MCA Mastermind, or if you need a landing page, get that. And then if you wanted to, you could jump into Facebook ads 50/50. Another good all the products in here are amazing. The Facebook Community Profits is also really good. Okay, so if someone said to me, well, which two would I get? I said, well, first of all, get the MCA Mastermind. Second would be Facebook Community Profits. And then when you were ready, go ahead and upgrade to Facebook ads 50/50. But I love all these products. Now let me show you how this works. So this is my MCA group that they teach you how to leverage in the training. And I put people who are interested in this group, and I get sales every single day. Yesterday I got a sale. So yesterday I made a post. I said, don't work, still get paid, right? You know, today's a holiday, it's Memorial Day, and I made an MCA sale, $80 commission. Okay, and I mean, I could keep going. The sales are in here. My team is also duplicating, so I also published some results of myself and my team, which the training shows you how to do. You can see people are engaged in the group as well. Let's see. I'm just keep going because one day I posted a lot of positive quotes. But people say good morning back. And you know, we show you in the training how to really just post engaging things and really just create a community, and then people just go and sign up. So you will learn all this in the training, how to post, how to keep people engaged, and really get the results that you want in your MCA business. So what I want you to do is go ahead and check out the comment section below, and there will be some information on how you can get connected to this awesome resource and get started. Don't delay, take action, and start getting the results that you want. MCA is one of the easiest programs to promote that I have found, and it pays $80 commission, which you can build a $500 to $1,000 a week income real quick with MCA if you know the simple steps to do it. All right, so, and this is it. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside and helping you get up and get started. And here's to your success online. Bye guys.